The AirPod 2 Pro second generation, is this the ultimate headphones which you're looking for? Let's find out. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Unbox and Beyond, and my name is Srini. This channel is all about the first impression and overview of the product. In today's video, we are going to dive into Apple AirPod Pro second generation. And are these ultimate headphones which you are looking for, or just it's an Apple flex? Let's find out. But before that, let's do the unboxing and see what's inside the box. Well, Apple package is always sleek and classy. On the front, we have a raised image of the AirPods. On the sides, we have Apple logo, and on the back, you'll find the features of the headphones. So peeling off the plastic is always so satisfying. So inside the box, we have got the usual paperwork, and here it is the AirPods Pro second generation case, wrapped in a protective film. The case has a familiar design, but now includes a built-in speaker and lanyard loop noise touches that makes it more functional. You also get a USB-C lightning cable and extra tips for your ears. The design of the AirPod Pro second generation is almost the same as the previous generation, but don't let that fool you. It's what inside that counts. The case is MagSafe compatible, and the speaker at the bottom helps with Find My tracking. Plus, it chimes when it is charging. Super handy. The earbuds are lightweight and compact, and as always, it fits comfortably to your ears. Now let's talk about the features and sound quality. So Apple has upgraded the H2 chip, which provides better noise cancellation and premium sound quality. The noise cancellation is also very good, and Apple claims the noise cancellation in the second generation is much better than the previous one. The bass is punchy, the mids are clear, and high are crisp, and altogether it delivers a premium experience. Now let's talk about the battery life. The battery life is solid 6 hours with single charge and up to 30 hours with the case. And now you can even charge the case with the Apple Watch charger, which is super cool. So final thoughts, are the AirPod Pro second generation are worth it? Well, if you are into Apple ecosystem and you want a premium earbuds with a good noise cancellation and a good sound quality, then Apple AirPod Pro second generation is worth to buy. At $249, it is not cheap, but definitely it gives you a premium performance. So friends, let me know in the comment section if you are planning to buy these earbuds or you want to stick to something else. Well, that's all in this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and I will see you in the next one.